Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to install apps on Shopify quickly and easily. Whether you want apps for marketing, shipping, design, or customer support, Shopify makes the process very simple. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify account. Once you're inside the Shopify admin dashboard, go to the left side panel and click on Apps. This will open the Apps section for your store. From here, you can click on All Recommended Apps, and Shopify will show you a list of suggested apps for your store. You'll also find apps made directly by Shopify, such as Search and Discovery, Shopify Inbox, Forms, and many others. If you want to explore even more apps, click on Discover More Apps or Shopify App Store. This will open the Shopify App Store in a new tab where you can browse thousands of apps depending on your needs. If you already know the name of the app you want to install, you can simply type it into the search bar at the top. If not, you can browse apps by category, such as marketing, shipping, design, customer service, and more until you find one you like. Once you find the app you want to install, click on it and then select Install. Shopify will then ask you to confirm the installation, so click the Install button again. After that, the app will be added to your Shopify store and you'll be able to customize and use it however you want. And that's basically how to install Shopify apps. Most free apps can be installed instantly, and even paid apps usually let you install first and pay later depending on the pricing plan. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.